Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a syringe in melon sandbox. I got this idea a while ago, so I'm gonna finally do it. First, get a liquid duplicator. Get a syringe machine and spit it out of the machine. Then get any syringe or flask you want, and I choose every single syringe or flask. Then connect them with the pipe rope. Once you do that, use the pipe and connect the liquid to the empty syringe or flask. Enjoy the syringe or flask you want. Comment down below what I should do next. Bye.